Hey there, plant lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to plant indoor plants in pots quickly, easily, and affordably with some help from Click and Grow. If you're looking to create a green oasis in your home, this is the perfect project for you. No need to hunt down supplies. With Click and Grow, you can get everything you need to grow healthy, thriving indoor plants. And guess what? You can find the affiliate link in the description to get started. 2. What you'll need from Click and Grow. To make this project a breeze, I highly recommend using Click and Grow products. They've got pre-seeded pods, stylish pots, and soil that's optimized for healthy plant growth. Perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. Here's what you'll need, all of which you can grab from Click and Grow through the link in the description. A Smart Garden or Click and Grow planting pods. Pre-seeded plant capsules like basil, lavender, or mini tomatoes. Optional. Additional accessories, like extra pods or grow lights for larger projects. With Click and Grow, you're not just planting, you're creating a low-maintenance indoor garden with everything designed to work seamlessly together. 3. Step-by-step planting process. Step 1. Unbox your Click and Grow Smart Garden or pods. Step 2. Add water to the reservoir. The self-watering system ensures your plants are hydrated without constant monitoring. Step 3. Insert the pre-seeded plant capsules into the designated slots. No messy soil. No guesswork. Step 4. Place the Smart Garden in a well-lit area or use the built-in grow light for optimal results. Step 5. Watch your plants thrive. Click and Grow makes it simple to grow fresh herbs, flowers, or veggies indoors with minimal effort. 4. Why choose Click and Grow? Click and Grow takes the hassle out of indoor gardening. No need to buy soil, fertilizer, or worry about overwatering. Everything is pre-measured and scientifically designed for success. It's perfect for small spaces, busy lifestyles, or anyone new to gardening. Plus, their smart garden system is sleek and stylish, perfect for any room in your home. 5. Maintaining your indoor plants. The beauty of Click and Grow is that maintenance is minimal. Just refill the water reservoir when needed, and you're good to go. The system even notifies you when it's time to add water, so you can focus on enjoying your plants, not stressing about them. 6. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it. With Click and Grow, planting indoor plants has never been easier or more foolproof. If you're ready to start your indoor gardening journey, click the affiliate link in the description to shop Click and Grow. It's the easiest way to turn your home into a green oasis, and by using the link, you'll also be supporting this channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more plant tips, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to grow with Click and Grow.